For a bar chart, how do you show both the values inside the bar chart, like so, and the total value? Now, this is not a default thing in Tableau, but it comes up all the time when I'm working professionally. So let me show you how to do it. We're going to open up a new sheet, and we're going to bring in sum of sales in here. By the way, the dataset is available. Check the description below. And we're going to bring in subcategory into the columns, right? So we got a whole bunch of bars, but we're going to limit this. So I'm going to drop category into filters, like so. And I'm just going to filter for office supplies, just to reduce our number of bars, just to make it a little bit easier. Okay, then I'm going to switch this to entire view, like so. And now we're going to cut it up. So if I want to split these ones up, okay, to have several sections, I can drop, for example, region into color, like so. So now I've got the individual ones. Now, generally speaking, when you have this structure and you add a label in here, so say I drop sales into label, it's going to add the label to the lowest form of granularity. So it's going to cut it. It's going to give the label for that cut. If I get rid of region, it's going to give me the total, as you can see. So how do you get both of them? Well, here is the trick. If you bring in sales again into the rows, you're going to have two sets of the same thing. Okay, that's the first step. For the first one, we're going to get rid of the cut. Okay, so here on this first section right here, which represents this one, which represents this one, we're going to get rid of region. Okay, so I'm just going to drop it down here. Okay, so now what we have is on the top, we have the totals. And now here we have the individual cuts. The next step is here in the automatic, in the all format, just switch this one to bar. And the main reason is because if you don't do this step and we do the next one, this is what's going to happen. You're going to have all these dots. But if you make it a bar first and then you do it, you don't have that issue. Okay, so just make sure under all it's set to bar. And what that does is here in the individual format ones, they're bars now. You can see bar and bar. Okay, so now the next part is in this second measure, we're going to right click and go dual axis. And essentially what that's doing is it's overlapping the colored ones on top of the gray ones. We want to now synchronize the axis so they align perfectly. So I'm going to right click here on this axis, synchronize, and you'll see, lo and behold, you now have your cut up bars with the totals on top. With a little bit of formatting, we can make this look really clean. So I'm going to get rid of this axis. So right click, get rid of this show header. Okay, we're going to get rid of this title. Okay, and now it's just these lines that we're going to get rid of. So I'm going to right click, format. And here on the square section, let me just zoom in here so you can see this one right here. We're going to turn off row and column divider. So just turn that off and turn that off. And that just makes it look very, very clean. So that is how you do your totals and your cut up bar charts. Super simple trick. By the way, I teach a lot more of these kinds of tricks and custom visualizations and deep analysis and data cleansing and all sorts of crazy things on my website. So be sure to check that out. There is a free course available that goes for like 3 hours, gives you all the absolute basics of Tableau to really get you started. So be sure to check that out. If you have other questions or videos you want me to do, please drop me a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed and I will see you next time.